Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you the location of the underhood fuse box in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. So when you pop the hood, the underhood fuse box is located over here next to the battery. To release it, there's some tabs. You just grab it with your finger, release that tab. There's one on the back side as well. So release that, pull this up. It is attached, so you don't lose it. And then the fuses on the back side are numbered. Now for the description of the fuses, you're gonna have to go to your owner's manual to look for which fuse goes to what. And also there's no tool here, so you're gonna need some type of pliers to remove the fuses. Just grab the fuse, pull it out. You can see if it's blown or not. Reinstall the fuse. Just push it back in. There you go. When you're done, put the cover back on, line it up, and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.